Hello guys, this is Rahul Kumar and today we are going to learn about overflow property in CSS. Basically, overflow property in CSS is used to control the text which comes out of a fixed container size. We can either make the text visible, we can hide the text, or we can add a scroll bar to the container to view the text which comes out of the fixed container. So let's begin.
So let me create one container div and I have some text over here, so let me copy and paste. So you can see the text is visible in the browser. Now let me give the CSS to container class. Let's give width of 50%, background of green, now bring this container to center. And let's give some padding. Now this is how our container is looking. Our text is properly fitting in our container as we did not set any height to this container, so the container's height is getting adjusted with respect to this text and it is completely visible. Now in our case, suppose if we make this container height fixed, right? Suppose we give some height like we give a height of 70 pixel to our container. So you can see the height of the container is fixed now and text is not fitting in the container properly and some text is coming out of the container. This text is overflown from the container, so it is giving a bad experience. So if we want, we can manage this text which is coming outside of the container. We can make this text hidden, or we can add some scroll bar to this container to view this text on scroll. Overflow property has a value of visible, so it is visible. So let's give overflow as hidden. Now the text is hidden, we are not able to see the text which was coming outside. So that's about hidden property. We have one more property called scroll. Now we are getting this scroll bar because of this overflow scroll property, and we can scroll this bar to get to see this text. So these are few properties related to overflow, and we can also control the overflow X and overflow Y. Suppose we can mark X as hidden. So the overflow X is hidden means we are not able to see the text which was coming outside the container. We can make overflow Y also as hidden. So the scroll bar is hidden from here. We can instead we can add scroll to a vertical bar. We can add scroll property to the overflow Y, so this bar is coming over here. So that's how we can control the text which is coming outside of the container. That's all for today.